Hi everyone, my name is Joseph from Tanzania Inside and Safari, and today I want to take you to this topic of acclimatization. This topic is important for people who are looking to climb Kilimanjaro or any other high altitude mountain, because we know when you climb any high altitude, I'm talking about 3,000 meter plus mountain, there is a decrease in barometric pressure, which means there will be low concentration of oxygen in the atmosphere. So what is acclimatization itself? Acclimatization is the physiological process by which the body compensates for the low concentration of oxygen in the atmosphere. What are these three processes? There are three processes for acclimatization, which first one is the right shift, which is responsible for decreasing the affinity of hemoglobin, oxygen affinity on hemoglobin, which means that it makes hemoglobin release the oxygen easily in the body tissue and the muscles. Also, the second one is erythropoiesis. By this process, when the kidney detects the low oxygen in the blood, it releases the enzyme called erythropoietin, which is going to straight to the bone marrow and stimulate the production of red blood cells, more red blood cells. The third one is hyperventilation and respiratory alkalosis. This process is responsible in balancing the pH of the body, because we know when you enter in high altitude, you breathe out a lot of carbon dioxide and breathe less oxygen. This make the blood pH to rise, and the rising of blood pH for the brain, it simply interprets as there is high concentration of oxygen in the blood, of which in this case is wrong. So this process of respiratory alkalosis, it helps to balance the blood pH so that the process of hyperventilation process of respiration can go as usual in the high altitude. After these processes, I want to take you deep to three strategies that we are using on Kilimanjaro for acclimatization. The first one is pole or slowly. By walking a snail pace, you just prevent your body from entering the oxygen depth it cannot repay, and allowing the metabolic activities to go as usual and adapt in changing environment. And second one is walk high and sleep low. By walking high and sleep low, this means that you expose your body to the high altitude and trigger these physiological processes that I mentioned earlier. And then by going to sleep in a low elevation, you allow your body to recover in a high sufficient oxygen area, which is good for your body. And the third one is hydration, because we know blood which is very thick, it cannot transport oxygen efficiently. So the more you hydrate, the better for your blood. What happens when your body fails to acclimatize? When your body fails to acclimatize, there is something called acute mountain sickness, AMS. There are two types of AMS. There is HAPE and HACE. The first one, HAPE, means the high altitude pulmonary edema, which occurs when there is accumulation of fluid in the lungs. And the second one is HACE, which means the high altitude cerebral edema, which means where there is the swelling of the brain. I'm not going to go deep to this altitude sickness today. This is the topic for the next time. But for today, I want to just give you encouragement. If you are planning to climb Kilimanjaro or any other high altitude mountain, you can just contact us, and then we can just help you with the planning. We can just help you with these preparation activities. We can just educate you about the preparation, the acclimatization, and everything involved to make sure you prepare yourself for high altitude trekking. And if you are interested to climb Kilimanjaro and summit Kilimanjaro and spending your New Year Eve on Kilimanjaro, we have a special package to summit on Kilimanjaro in every New Year Eve. So if you are planning to just maybe having your New Year Eve or 2027 on Kilimanjaro, you can just contact us and we can send you the package, and then you can join us and summit together and enjoying together Kilimanjaro. That's it for today. See you next time. Ciao.